Hi, my name is Aiden Camarda. I was working with Josh Yakubov on our Green Wave new in traffic light system. It's going to have a ton of different benefits. You can check on our website, a lot of great information on there with a bunch of different problems of what we did and what we solved. There's also an interview with my grandfather, Lazer Gorelik. He owns a construction company, so he explains a little bit about road and traffic safety, and he also explains why our lights with sensors that will help dictate traffic is a great new idea and will help it tremendously with traffic control in all areas. So just a little bit of explanation on how we built our project. So our project, there are 6 main components. There are 2 proximity sensors that decide when cars pass, and there are also 4 traffic lights that will change colors depending on how many cars passed by the sensor. In addition to traffic lights and the proximity sensors, we use 2 more key components to help us. We used the Mega Arduino, which gave us access to more digital pins, because each traffic light had to be connected to 3 digital pins, 1 for red, 1 for yellow, and 1 for green. And in addition to that, we used a breadboard to create a bus strip in between our components. So we're able to connect to 5 volts and ground for all of our things. So now my partner Josh is going to walk you through a full examination on how our project works.
Hi, my name is Josh Yakubov. This is our project Green Wave. And you can bring the camera up.
Not a problem.
So we got the east and west roads here. These are the main roads, and the green lights are primarily on these roads since this is where the most car traffic is. And then you have the north and south roads with their 2 respective sensors. And how our project works is basically, once these sensors on each side of the road collectively detect at least 3 cars, the lights switch. So this is just to make the traffic flow more smoothly, to get more cars through. And there is, once the lights switch back to this, there is a 15-second delay from how long these traffic lights can change if they detect cars. Okay, so this is our project. We have the east and west roads here with the most traffic, and the most cars are going through here. And then once you have the north and south roads, once they detect 3 cars total, 1 car here, the 1 car there, and then when you
So I'm going to put the 3rd.
1 car here, the lights start to switch, and they all go red for safety, so no cars hit each other. And then the cars can safely pass the north and south streets. And then I think it's about a 5-second, 10-second timer that it's on for. So you gotta wait that one out. It's switching out now. All the lights go red, and then they go back to green. And now, even if you try and detect the sensors, they won't go off for at least 15 seconds to let obviously the main road have more traffic. So this is obviously built for more traffic efficiency